Hello everybody! So seeing as how we are in October and this month I am dedicating all my content to the 31 days of Halloween, something I have been participating in for the past 2 years, to keep with the theme I have decided that instead of doing just any movie cocktails, I would be doing Halloween movie cocktails! Today's cocktail not only is one I actually had to make up myself, but it was a suggested cocktail from Jamie Hughes. If you have not checked out his channel, then click on the link below and go peruse his content. Jamie said he would love to see a Killer Klowns from Outer Space cocktail, a perfect selection. Killer Klowns from Outer Space is a 1988 American science fiction horror comedy film written and directed by the Chiodo brothers. It is about a clown of evil aliens from an unknown region who all resemble circus clowns. They arrive on Earth and invade a small town in order to capture, kill, and harvest human inhabitants to use as sustenance. Now, Jamie wants only 2 things from this cocktail. It has to be pink and have cotton candy in it. Now, there are cotton candy cocktails that already exist, but those are a tad boring, so I decided to change them up a bit. From this cocktail, you'll need pink cotton candy, vanilla vodka, creaming soda, and gumballs, an optional choice of decorations. For me, I'm including these rainbow flashing LED ice cubes. To a glass of your choice, add pink cotton candy. On top of that, add a mixture of gumballs and LED ice cubes, however many you want. Then pour in 3 ounces of vanilla vodka. Then top with creaming soda and watch the ice cubes do their thing. And there you have it, my Killer Klowns from Outer Space cocktail. Crazy, fun, and colourful. I gotta say, I really enjoyed making this cocktail. It's nice to know I have enough creativity in me to put it all together. So if you're planning on watching Killer Klowns from Outer Space this Halloween or during the 31 Days of Halloween challenge, then maybe make one of these before you sit down to enjoy the movie. Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and until next time, bye.